Mapping Food Deserts in Southern California, Part 4, Resetting the Data Frame Coordinate System. In the previous video, you learned how to use the project tool. In this video, you will learn how to reset the data frame coordinate system. As you learned in a previous activity, the data frame adopts the spatial reference of the first layer you add to the table of contents. The data frame window displays the map using Project on the fly. Even though the layers in the table of contents might use different projections and coordinate systems internally, ArcMap tries to line them up on the screen using the coordinate system defined in the data frame properties. In this instance, the data frame currently uses the spatial reference from the original U.S. County layer. In this step, you will change the display projection of the data frame to match the new county layer. Open the data frame properties and navigate to the Coordinate Systems tab. Expand the Layers folder and select NAD 1983 UTM Zone 11 North. When ready, click OK. The data frame will visibly update the display projection with a new spatial reference system, which is centered on Southern California. You may notice that the eastern and western extent of the United States is cut off. If you recall, the transverse Mercator projection will only display a wedge-shaped region called a gore. Take a moment to set your map document properties to store relative paths. Then, save the map document in your project folder. Name the file Food Desert Map. Using what you learned in the previous step, use a project tool on the shapefile representing the U.S. Census tracts. The new shapefile should also use the NAD 1983 UTM Zone 11 North for the spatial reference system. Be sure to save the output to your working folder. ArcMap may not automatically add the new shapefile in the table of contents. If not, then add the new census tract layer. In the next video, you will learn how to define the study area using an attribute query.